If you're looking for the best henna hair dyes, here's a list you must see. We made this list based on our personal preference and sorted it based on their features, prices, quality, durability, and reputation of the manufacturers and customer feedback. Also, we've included options for every type of customer. So let's get started. At the first position of our list, we have the Henna Guys Henna Hair and Beard Dye. The Henna Guys Henna Hair and Beard Dye is a unisex product and has a formula containing henna, indigo, amla, false daisy, red clay, and hibiscus powder. The powder color needs to be mixed with water before application and imparts a dark brown color. It is available in 10 different shades and is free of harsh chemicals and artificial color developers. The kit comes with a shower cap and gloves. Moving on to the next, at number 2 with Henna Natural Pure Henna. The Henna Natural Pure Henna is a 100% chemical-free and all-natural product. This herbal henna does not contain any other harmful additives and works as an excellent natural conditioner to keep your hair soft and nourished. It is finely milled and can be easily mixed. The kit contains 2 packs of henna, a pair of gloves, a shower cap, and detailed instructions. The number 3 position is held by H&C 100% Natural Henna Powder. The H&C 100% Natural Henna Powder imparts a very subtle, natural-looking color. The powder is made of 100% organic henna leaves minus any chemicals or PPD and is safe for all ages. The henna powder is triple sifted and forms a clump-free paste when mixed with water. It can be used with different ingredients like bananas and amla to improve scalp health and keep your hair conditioned until the next wash. Next, at number 4, we have My Nature Henna Powder. The My Nature Henna Powder is 100% natural, vegan, and free of pesticides. It does not contain metallic salts, peroxides, PPD, ammonia, or other added preservatives. This high-quality henna powder helps control hair damage, stimulates hair growth, and prevents hair fall. It gives a rich, reddish color and can be combined with indigo powder for black and brown shades. The number 5 position is held by Just Jaivik Organic Natural Henna Powder. The Just Jaivik Organic Natural Henna Powder is 100% natural and USDA certified. It is free of additives and adds natural shine and color to your hair. The henna leaves are hand-picked, and the powder is thoroughly sifted for easy mixing. It is gentle on the scalp and strengthens the hair. The product is formulated without bleaches or PPD and is safe for all ages. The number 6 position is dominated by Godrej Nupur Henna. The Godrej Nupur Henna is a combination of henna and 8 natural herbs. It contains aloe vera, water, hyssop, Indian lilac, hibiscus, and false daisy extract that keep your hair soft, shiny, and glossy. It helps prevent scalp infection and keeps the hair moisturized and nourished. The powder gives a reddish hue to the hair. The packet contains 400 grams of henna powder that may last for 4 treatments for mid-length hair. Moving on to the next, at number 7 with Reshma Henna Hair Color. The Reshma Henna Hair Color is made of the purest and refined forms of henna. It helps seal scalp moisture and condition the hair to keep it soft and silky. It does not contain any harsh chemicals like ammonia and peroxides. The color lasts for almost 4-6 weeks and gives better color payoff on lighter hair. The kit includes henna powder, gloves, an application brush, and an instruction manual. The number 8 position is held by Rainbow Henna Hair Color and Conditioner. The Rainbow Henna Hair Color and Conditioner is a versatile product and provides excellent gray coverage. It is 100% natural and contains a blend of red henna, Lawsonia nermis, and black henna, indigofra. The powder blends well with your natural hair color, is easy to use, and suitable for all hair types. It is available in 12 different shades ranging from black to blonde. Next, at number 9, we have Dabur Vatika Henna Hair Color. Covering your gray hair is easy with the Dabur Vatika Henna Hair Color. It is enriched with the goodness of henna that colors and strengthens your hair while adding a glossy shine. The product contains olive extract that nourishes your hair and prevents further damage. This easy-to-use gorgeous hair color works like a herbal conditioner. It prevents dandruff, is 100% natural, and available in 2 different shades. Finally, the number 10 position is dominated by Zenia Henna Powder. The Zenia Henna Powder is 100% natural and contains organic henna leaves. It is triple sifted and mixes into a very smooth paste. The powder fights dandruff, nourishes the scalp, and provides deep conditioning to the hair to keep it soft and smooth. It imparts a warm copper tinge to the hair and is vegan and pesticide-free. That's all for today. We upload beauty product review videos every single day. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for the upcoming video notification.